birds are coming. Is that Alfred Hitchcock's?
Yeah, it's Alfred Hitchcock's birds.
Well, he's got one like that. I can throw it, that little one.
Throw it out here.
That's right.
So I want to get this right in there, and a whole bunch of them.
Zoom right up on him.
Yeah.
You got a nice prize catch for the day, huh? Caught him on a little bitty minnow. Yeah, that's a real good fish.
I did it.
All right, he did it again.
Got that big one of the day.
Yeah. He just hangs around and waits for old Muy Grande, huh?
And lip hook. Look at that.
Look.
Boy, you did it again. I tell you what.
Sure did.
Yeah, that's a pretty fish.
Yeah, he's a nice one.
Big blue.
Leave him up out there and let's take a better look at him.
Can't get my hands around his head. It's big.
Caught him on a minnow.
Yeah, that's what most of the big ones been caught on. Oh, yeah. Pretty fish.
Yeah, he's a good one. Dale, if you'll open up that live well, I'll dump him in there.
Good job, Dave.